question. Now see, a playing card consists of 52 cards. You know very well, playing card is a pack of 52 cards and you want to withdraw 4 cards. Out of 52, you want to withdraw 4 cards. The first part, find the total number of ways. Now see, the first part of that question, total number of ways. There are total 52 cards and we need the 4 card from 52. These 4 cards may be of any suit. It may be from the king, it may be from the diamond, it may be from the heart, it may be from the spade. So it is not necessary the 4 cards are different. It may be 2 are the same, 2 are the different. It may be all are the different. It may be all are the same. So no condition is given to us. Due to that, we can say the total number of ways are total 52 card and we want to select only 4 card. So the answer is 52C4, or you can simplify it 52 into 51 into 50 into 49. Number 4 is here, so 4 factor by reducing 1 at a time. So it is 4, it is 3, it is 2, it is 1. Now cancel out 4, cancel out 13, 2 cancel out 25 and 3 cancel out 17. Now you can easily multiply 13 into 7 into 25 into 49. You will get the total number of ways. Now the main part of question is start from here. That is, the main first part is 4 cards are of the same suit. Means all the 4 cards of the same suit. It means either the card from the spade, either the card from club, either the card from diamond, or either the card from heart. Whenever we use the word either, it means there is addition. So means all the 4 cards maybe belongs to the heart category and there are total 13 cards in each suit. Means heart having 13 card, club having the 13 card, diamond having the 13 card, spade having the 13 card. So each suit contain 13 card. So total number of ways when 4 cards of same suit, 4 cards of same suit, it means either they are from heart, means 13C4, or means plus 13C4 means from the spade, or 13C4 means from diamond, or 13C4 means club. Or you can see all the same terms are there. So it is 4 times 13C4. You can simplify and get the result. Now see, second part, 4 cards belongs to 4 different suit. See this one. In this same suit, in this he said different suit. It means you need the 4 card and you also having the 4 category, club, diamond, heart and spade. So it means 1 card from each category. So for the second part, 4 cards belongs to 4 different suit. 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1. See this one. In this case, addition will not be there. In this case, there is a product because he simply say from the different suit, one from the club, one from the heart, one from the diamond and one from the spade. We never say either this or this. If we apply or here means plus here, it means we have a choice. Either we use this card or this card, but we have to use both the card. Therefore, there is product. So you can simplify and get the result. Now, third part of the question. See, are all face card. All face card. See this one. All face card. So total number of face cards are 12. You know very well, 6 of the red color and 6 of the black color, 4 king, 4 queen and 4 jack. So total number are 12 and you need only 4. So it is 12C4. You can simplify 12, 11, 10, 9 upon 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 3s are 12, 2 5s are 15. So answer is 9 into 5 45. It is 11 into 45. It is 450 plus 45 495. Now fourth part of the question, 2 are the red and 2 are the black. So see, when he said 2 are red and 2 are black. See this one, when 2 are the red card are 26, black card are also 26, and they are combined with the word and means product, because we need total 4 card. So 26C2 into 26T2. If you observe this one important thing, if I take a symbol of plus, it means I have a choice, either this one or this one. So only 2 cards will be selected, but we need 4. So there is a multiplication. And last part, that is fifth, cards of the same color. Card of the same color. It means either the card are black or either the card are red. So cards are of same color. It means either the card are the black 26C4 or the card are the red 26C4. See this one, whenever there is a or combination, or means addition, then you can find out the result. Either you will select this or this. So it is 2 times of 26C4. So you can simplify and get the result. This is the important question to understand about the concepts of color and other things.